Again. Excuse me? Like, do y'all see this hair? Like, this little bang situation is definitely giving 90s vibes. Like, but it's like, ooh, gorgeous. Simple and gorgeous. Like, you can't make this up. Right into this video, so I did go ahead and put the unit on my head. This is a 13x4 unit, guys. You guys can see right here they got the little tape on the ear tab. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean the ear tab section to start off. This unit is a very simple unit. As you guys can see, it's already pre-styled. They did do kind of like a nice little front bang situation in the front right here. So we're gonna go ahead and divvy it up. I also did notice that Beauty Forever Hair also added some layers on this unit, so I won't have to do my own cutting. So if you don't know how to cut a wig or layer a wig, it's already done for you with this unit. So that makes it even more easy, or easier to install. So another thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add some powder. I like how they did like the middle part here. So if you don't want to wear the bangs like that, you can actually turn these bangs into like more of like a Farrah Fawcett type of look instead of doing it that way. I'm going to go ahead and add some powder on the lineup area. You already know, I'm not doing baby hairs. This doesn't make sense. This is going to be one of those fully nice, beautiful glam wigs. And let's just keep it nice and simple, just like that. So I'll add powder around the perimeter just in case, you know, the wig flies back. We want it to look as seamless as possible. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is go ahead and pull the tape off of this one. When I tell you this is a quick, easy hairstyle, like a shake and go unit, take it straight out the pack and go, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tape cover off on this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. Get it kind of tweezer to do it because it just makes it easier to grab tweezers. So I'm gonna pull the tape off of both sides, and I'm gonna readjust the wig, okay? You wanna readjust this wig just to make sure everything is fine, and then you're gonna pull it down on both sides. So I'm gonna pull this down on both sides, make sure that it's really close to the edge. Again, I'm not doing baby hairs or anything. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and do it. But for the purposes of showing you guys a unit that you literally just take out the pack and put on, that's what we're aiming for today. Like, we're aiming for it just like that. Now, as you guys can see, they did add like a little bit of a layer right here. Like, y'all see that? Like, right here is a little bit shorter. I appreciate that. Looks good. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna curl this side first right here because I just want to see how long it is, because I really want the bang area to really come through. I want it to look nice and flawless and like wavy. Okay. So this curl, let's see kind of what it looks like when I comb it out, because that'll determine what it looks like. All right, so this is what the curl looks like once they've cut it. This looks actually really, really pretty. Like, I think this came out actually really cute. So let me go ahead and curl the top area up here as well too, just to kind of make sure that the wig has its full look all the way through. We want to make sure that it's nice, full, and pretty. You know, feel me? Give it a nice kind of like bounce. I love wigs like this. I feel like I haven't done a wig review with a bang, like a nice little bang, in a long time. And I feel like bangs definitely look really good in the winter time. So I definitely recommend trying you a little front bang wig. I call this kind of like a baby bang. Like, it's a sexy baby bang. You guys will kind of see what I mean. It's like a sexy baby bang. So I'm just gonna add like some light curls in this one just to kind of make sure everything looks, you know, good, flawless, like fluff. You see that? Of course, a company already sent the unit with its own pre-curls into it. So I'm just adding a few curls just to really seal the deal with this unit because I want it to look good, okay? Like, I'm really excited about this one. I feel like this is gonna come out looking really cute. Even the pictures that they sent prior to the review looked absolutely stunning. The model looked really cute with this. So I was like, you know what? I think we can go ahead and give this a go. I think I can, you know, I could eat this up. So I hope I eat it up. So let me go ahead and curl this up for y'all, just to show y'all how to make it look ampy. So now that the curls look really, really good, everything, and again, look at the layer that they did up here. They did a really cute, like, little fine layer right here. Let me comb this part out just lightly so you guys can see. Y'all see that? They did such a good job on that. Again, with this side too, I'm gonna just curl this so you guys can see. I got a little dust on there, a little hairspray dust, but that's fine. So they kind of curls it nicely for it to go. I didn't pull these curls out yet, but I want to bring everything to the front to show you guys what we're starting off with. So I'm gonna go ahead and unroll this. Again, y'all get what I mean? Like, it's like a sexy bang. Like, this gives like 90s vibes. Like, this is definitely like a 90s vibe type of wig. Like, this is so cute. Like, are y'all seeing this? Like, so cute. I feel like I have to shift the wig back a little bit. Thank God for having a big forehead, because if I shift it back a little bit, it gives me more area space at the top so that this stays not. Y'all, it's giving sex kitty. It's giving sexy. Like, and that's that. So let me go ahead and let's run our hands through this curls. What? I'm not even gonna lie, this is super, oh my God! She is so cute. Like, this is eating it up, honey. Are we all looking at the same thing? Again, just take your like nice little comb like this. Just go, there you go, bounce it out like that. You want it to give that, like, that essence. We're gonna go spray that. Just a light spray, don't get too crazy. Just for like a light essence so that it, oh my God. Like, if this ain't giving, then y'all lying, because this is cute. Oh my God. And that's literally the video. That is it. You can't make this up. All right, guys, so you know I gotta add a little finishing touch. I have to give it a little finishing touch. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and flatten this part off right here, just because we want the bang part to look like it's actually coming and nice. And you wanna make sure you get all this area flattened. I know some of y'all don't like y'all hair to be too flat. What is sticking up right here? Let me just press that down. I know some of y'all don't like y'all hair down like too flat, but I feel like for a style like this, you wanna make sure that the surface is nice and flat at top. So spray that up at top. And then what I'm gonna do is just trim this little part right here just a little bit. Like, I feel like this part right here needs a trimming just ever so lightly so that it doesn't get really into my eyes. So I'm gonna trim that off. And that's it. That's it. So I just needed to trim that off. And I'm not gonna use a curler, but I just wanna bump like underneath it, like this. So I'm gonna hit it with like a little fake bump like that. And then I'm gonna break it apart with the comb. So just to kind of make sure that, there you go, that's it. All right, that's it, that's all. I just wanted to make sure I got that a little bit shorter, and then we're good to go. I got a little bit of hairspray in my hair right here. That's an easy fix, I'll fix that. But again, you want it to, if you want to, you can go back in right here, do like an angle cut, an angle part. And then you take this and take your curling iron, right, and curl backwards. I'm telling y'all, it'll give you, don't hold it too tight. You want it to be kind of loose like this. And then just pull it, okay? And then you take your comb and then you go ahead and you comb that. You see, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, no? Oh my God, I absolutely love this. So cute. So that's basically it, y'all. I'm gonna spray this up again. Yeah. When I tell you guys this was easy, did y'all see me glue anything down? Y'all see me do any baby hairs? No. They already cut the unit, trimmed it, a little bit in the bangs, and curled it. Same day install. Y'all, this, hello. Super cute. Like, let me show you a little bit of, look at that length. And it's a nice length too. Peek the shirt, period. But, y'all, do you guys see? This is stunning. The layers that they did on this is absolutely stunning. Like, I love it. I know some people ain't really big fans of layering their hair, but if you want that, like, Farrah Fawcett ain't got nothing on me. I got a little sexy kitty bang. Like, I'm serious. I call this a sexy kitty bang. It just gives, like, sexy kitty vibes. Like, baby, who is she? Me? Gorgeous. Simple and gorgeous. Like, you can't make this up. Alright, y'all, so I ended up going ahead and putting 2 clips in here to kind of put this up. Obviously, it's not like a 360, so you're not getting lace in the back or anything like that. But all you gotta do is just tuck it back and you get like a little full coverage in the back. But I want to show you guys. Excuse me? Like, do y'all see this hair? Like, this little bang situation is definitely giving 90s vibes. Like, but it's like, ooh, y'all know what I'm saying. Like, absolutely love this, guys. If you want to go ahead and do a little style like this, it works out. I'll just show you guys the back real quick. Again, it's not a 360 wig, so I mean the coverage in the back, it just covers. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all, like, it covers. You feel me? So very cute if you want to do cute little up styles as well too. It's just giving, it's giving 90s glam, honey. It's giving, ooh, I'm about to go out. The sexy sultry bang, baby. And it's light and it's not a thick bang. You can't make this up, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's hair video. This was a fun one. I absolutely love this unit. Like, I think it's very cute. And again, even if you want to go ahead and do kind of like a cute little up style, whatever, you can. Because the unit eats up. Like, excuse me. Gorgeous. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you guys want to go ahead and check out the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Happy holidays, y'all.